That trust has been the source of my strength in every day of service. When I assumed this responsibility, I made a solemn commitment that the House of Representatives would be the people's house. Isang kongresong bukas, tapat, at tunay na naglilingkod. Yet leadership also demands that we confront the trials of the President. In his recent State of the Nation address, our President reminded us that accountability must prevail and that no one is above scrutiny. I fully and unequivocally embrace that call. Issues surrounding certain infrastructure projects have raised questions that weigh not only upon me, but upon this institution we all serve. Ang ating mga kababayan ay naghahangad ng linaw at higit sa lahat ng tiwala. Tungkulin natin ito'y may balik. The longer I stay, the heavier that burden grows on me, on this House, and on the President I've always sought to support. And so, after deep reflection and prayer, I have made a decision today with a full heart and a clear conscience. I tender my resignation as Speaker of the House of Representatives. I do this so that the Independent Commission on Infrastructure may pursue its mandate freely and fully, without doubt, without interference, without undue influence. Walang pipigil, walang makikialam. Let the truth emerge and let justice be done. My colleagues, carry forward the work of this institution with unity and resolve. The Filipino people never lose faith in democracy, for it remains capable of self-correction and renewal. Minamahal kong kababayan, I leave this chamber as I first entered it. A humble servant, ready to serve wherever duty may call. I step down not in surrender, but in service. For sometimes, the greatest act of leadership is the grace to let it go. That this institution may endure stronger than ever before. Madamo nga salamat ayong nga tanan. Mabuhay ang Kongreso ng Taumbayan. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.